Another problem that I'm going to solve on the first order differential equation is about separation of variables method. Here's the problem. Obtain a general solution of this first order differential equation. Xy cubed dx plus y plus 1 times e raised to negative x dy equal to 0. So para ma-separate ang variable, let's remove y cubed sa first term and let's remove e raised to negative x sa second term. So what we're going to do is to divide the equation by y cubed and e raised to negative x. Okay. So the next step is i-divide the first term divided by this one. Makancel ang y cubed. And then sa second term, this one divided by this one, makancel ang e raised to negative x. And the result is this. Okay? Okay. So, ang next is i-transpose na to ang second term sa right side. And then, ang e negative x, i-transfer sa ibabaw, ma-positive ang exponent. And then, while ang y cube, pag-transfer sa ibabaw, ang exponent, ma-negative na. O ma-change na. Positive, mag-negative sa negative, ma-positive. Okay. So, next step is i-distribute na to ang y raised to negative 3 sa y plus 1. We have this one. So, dali lang ni ma-integrate ang right side. Integral of y raised to negative 2 dy. Very simple, as well as y raised to negative 3. For the left side, since dili ni homogeneous, x is algebraic and e raised to x is exponential. So pag dili siya homogeneous, dili magsilbi ang lithium. Algebraic substitution dili pwede. So ang solusyon nanin sa left side is integration by parts. Okay. And okay. Kung mogamit ka og integration by parts, it's a trial and error na procedure. Okay. You have no idea kung unsa ang nimo. Ang i-consider nimo na u and dv. So, mao nang integration by parts. Integral of u dv is equal to uv minus integral of v du. So, ang u is, it's either x, and then ang dv is e to the x dx, or ang u nimo is e to the x, ang dv is x dx. So, you have two options. Okay. Ang isa ka option na is ma-simplify siya. Okay. Ang target is ang second term na ma-integrate na to. Okay. Ang isa ka option is masamot ka complicated ang kinin na term. Okay, so let's try this one. Ang x ang u and ang dv is e to the x dx. Let u equal to x and dv equal to e raised to x dx. So, naatay v, so we have to integrate this one, and we also have du. So we have to differentiate this one. So du is equal to dx, while integral sa dv is v, integral sa e to the x dx is e to the x. So ato i-substitute dire. Okay. So integral of u dv is equal to u x v dayon e to the x minus integral of v du. This is very simple. Integral of e to the x dx is simply e to the x. So, kini karon ato i-replace dire sa left side. We have this one. Ang integral ani x e to the x dx is x e to the x minus integral ani e to the x equals dire integral of negative y raised to negative 2 dy is y negative 2 plus 1 y raised to negative 1 over negative 1. And then minus y raised to negative 3 dy. Negative 3 plus 1 is negative 2 over negative 2. So, ang next ani is, ma-positive na ni. Positive sad ni. Okay. Uh, so, we can factor out e to the x sa left side. No? So, e to the x, quantity x minus 1. And last nga step, actually, this is already correct. But if you want to combine the two terms, then pwede ra. No? Get the LCD and ang CD mo combine as is and isa constant. Okay. So the final answer is this. This is the general solution. E raised to x times x minus 1 is equal to 2y plus 1 all over 2y squared plus c. Okay. That's it. So I hope that you have learned something from this video. Thank you for watching.